Joe here from the Full of Films YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm fishing my first ever tournament, the King of the Lake Salmon Tournament on Lake Ontario. I teamed up with my buddy Kris to chase after some monster salmon, and even though we only ended up landing one trout, the experience was unforgettable. Stick around to see how it all went down.
There's Garrett. We are here. We are doing fishing.
And look at our big catch.
Fishing.
Look at our big. Good morning.
Oh, that light is bright. Oh my. Coffees are required.
Thank you. Good enough.
Be in line at 1 o'clock. Do not lose the lanyard.
Thank you.
You're the man. Talk to the camera.
Well, we're out here at the King of the Lakes tournament. It's what's this day? April 26th.
Yeah, it is.
Nice calm morning. Yesterday we were in the Big Fish Friday event, and it was a little rougher. We were ending the day probably around like 7 to 10 foot waves. It was brutal. Literally surfing the whole way in, but we're gonna try and make a run today, do something a little bit different. We're gonna run down towards Hamilton Harbor and troll back because the wind's gonna be picking up going along the lake, so we're trying to go with the waves, see if we can make it a little easier on us.
So it's currently 6:15 o'clock on April 26th. People are already heading out here. Everybody's getting out there. We're just waiting on the third guy right now, Tucker.
Waiting for Tuck. He's out using the shooter.
Yeah, we ended up yesterday with one.
This was yesterday.
Nothing too great, but
Yeah, fish is a fish, right?
fish is a fish nonetheless.
Awesome, brother.
Here's Big Shooter here. He's coming in.
We got everybody lined up here. Kris over here is trying to make his way up front so we don't get caught in all that chop.
That should be good. Yeah, it's gonna be
6 o'clock. We're going. We've been trolling for about an hour now.
Preparing some meat for the meat rig. We're gonna get one of those running down deep. Tried a Twinkie fly there, it didn't work as good, so we'll see what happens.
It's definitely gotten a tiny bit choppier than
Oh yeah, you can feel the wind picking up.
Yeah.
Supposed to get gusts up to 50 kilometers an hour this afternoon, so.
That was a rough one. It's getting choppier out here. Got some rain coming in now. No luck yet. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're calling it for the day here. Still no luck. Had no hookups, but we're not worried about that anymore. That is a big wave. we are on day 3 here. Final day. We are starting 3 hours later today because of the weather conditions. Start is at 9:30. We're just waiting for a third teammate right now before we start getting out there. Everybody's already lining up out there. Let's get this, Kris.
See what we can do. Hope it tastes a little better out there on the water. We'll figure it out. It'll be another good run once we get out here with all the boats. That's
Oh yeah,
nice.
for sure.
We're up against 6 of those boats. 6 get it wet boats.
Look at all those boats. One minute. They're going. Well, this is gonna be rough for a while. Oh, that's a good one. Like really steady.
What
Nothing.
are the fish on that?
Huh?
What's the fish? Those?
Those lines, all those marks, those are the fish. There we go. That's Kevin.
You're out in the not clear.
Look at that. Not what we're after, but
Not targeted species, but
finally starting to mark fish here. A bunch of kings.
Now it's recording.
Oh, no.
There's Garrett. We are here. We are doing fishing.
And look at our big catch.
Fishing.
Look at.
I lost Joe.
Just leave it there.
She said it's watching.
get there from here.
Oh yeah, easy.
Got a rough ride this morning. Oh, terrible. I got a good video.
Oh yeah? I was jumping, man. It was terrible. Next time I think I just wait half an hour.
You. We only got that trout, that was it. That is gonna be it for this video, guys. Really appreciate if you guys made it to the end of this video. We have definitely seen better fishing days, but for my first fishing tournament, honestly, I had a great time. And I thank Christopher Scott for taking me out on his boat. I'll see you guys in the next one.